Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back to day 10 of Vlogmas. Pretty sure it's day 10 anyway. Hang on. Yep, day 10. I hope you're enjoying my series so far, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these gingerbread Christmas candles. They are really cute. I found some similar on Pinterest and I'm going to make my own. Obviously you've seen me make a candle, an essential oil candle before. But I will show you how to make these. At the same time, I'm also making one for my mum, but I am not sharing with that on camera because it is pretty much the same. It's just not coloured wax, so I will be using more, but I'll tell you the right amount to use. I'm making two gingerbread people candles. So for this, you will need like the gingerbread person cookie cutter. So I'm doing two of them. You will need some like wicks, pre-waxed wicks, and these are, I don't know, they're 9 in a pack. These are obviously taller than you need, but they're better to be taller than not. You also need some candle fragrance oils. So I've got the Christmas one, so it's mulled wine, cookies for Santa, Christmas spice, or warm gingerbread. So I'll probably be using the warm gingerbread and like the cookies for Santa. You will need coloured wax, so I've just got this, which is red, blue and yellow, but we're going to use the red but make it more orangey, hopefully. And then you will need some soy wax. My recipe goes for ½ kilogram, which this is, but I have got another pack here just in case because I need to fill up another one. So I've also got a baking tray, which I'm not baking on obviously, and I've just put parchment paper on it, and this is where these will sit, both of them, with the 2 candles wicks in them. So I'll show you now how I'm going to make it and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so in my large glass bowl I'm going to put in my wax. So this is ½ kilogram of soya wax into the bowl, and I'm going to microwave this at a minute at a time to get it fully melted. So you'll also need a wooden spoon. So I'm going to put this in the microwave now and I'll come back once it's melted, but check every minute. It should take about 4 minutes. Okay, so now my wax is melted. This is way much more than you need. You probably only need 1/4 of a pack, like 1/4 kilo. So I'm going to pour some of this into a mini bowl, which is what I'm going to colour in the ready colour, and go from there adding the ingredients. So with this wax I'm just going to add in a little bit of the red colouring to make it more gingerbread like. And mix that in with also put in there some gingerbread. Oh, these smell good. And Christmas spice in here, and well, in both of them this will go in, and I'm doing 10 drops basically all together. And that's really gingery, which is perfect. So I'm just going to mix it in. This is just the plain white one, which is going to be for my mum. And then I may put this back in the microwave just for a minute, just to make the red go basically. So I'll be back in a minute. So I've put you over onto the cooker where the gingerbread men are laying on the parchment paper, and this wax is now bright orangey red colour, which is perfect. And so then I'm going to pour this into the gingerbread man. Okay, so it went horribly wrong the first time and it just floods out because obviously this is just a gingerbread cookie cutter. But if you have it on something like this, it shouldn't flow out too much, it should be fine. I'm going to stick the wicks in afterwards. So I'll show you on this one what it does. It just floods out, but you'll be able to break it free after. So I've just got parchment paper on again. And then, obviously we're going to waste all of that wax, but there's not a lot I can do. I'm literally just putting in the 2 candle wax just where you want it, and then these go in the fridge for a couple of hours really, and then they'll be set. So as you saw earlier, this was all flooded, and this was all flooded with extra wax, so I've just literally broke that off and put it in the microwave to remelt it, so I can now pour more into the gingerbreads. So I'll show you. You can see that they're flooded again. I've made a right mess, but it doesn't matter because they'll break off again. So I'm just going to put it back in the fridge for a bit, and then it'll be finished afterwards. But they are full now, and that is what we wanted, so that is a bonus. So yeah, so these are the finished ones. I've just cut down the wicks to 2 centimeters above. This one is definitely better than this one. They pop straight out of the mold, out of the cookie thing, which I didn't expect to happen, but it did. So these are them finished. This one is definitely better. So this is the one that's going to my friend, and this one can be mine. They smell amazing, and they are slightly redder than I thought they would come out, but never mind. They are still really good. So that is the finished product. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you would make gingerbread or Christmas themed candles, and if you did, what would you make them into, or if you have, what have you made it into. Please also subscribe, push the notification bell to see when I post, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.